Hello, good morning. Welcome to your interview day. My name is Christopher Bandish. I am a financial aid counselor here at the Health Center. And today, I want to go over some information regarding financial aid. We'll go over the costs of attending here, as well as your options for financial aid, how you can apply for aid, and then some contact information if you have any lingering questions about these topics or anything else related to financial aid. First and foremost, let's talk about the cost. So as you can see, we have the cost broken down into various rows and columns. Each column indicates the cost dependent upon your residency. So for instance, we have those who are residents of the state of Connecticut, those who are not residents of Connecticut, and those who are residents of the New England regional area. Then, of course, we can look at the rows running across. First, we have your tuition. Then we have your professional school fee. Now, your professional school fee consists of things such as your orientation cost, student wellness, your technology support, your academic support, and disability insurance. Then we have the student activity fee, which covers student activities. Then there's the health insurance. And health insurance is a waivable charge. If you have insurance through a family member, through a parent, through a spouse, you can waive the student health insurance fee and obviously just provide information regarding your private insurance. Then we have the cost for books, as well as the cost for a laptop. The laptop is issued by the university and it is a required purchase. And then we have the cost for your living expenses. This is the estimated cost that we put together to allow you to have funds to cover things like your rent and your utilities and food and gasoline and all the various things that you need in order to live for one academic year. Then finally, at the bottom, we have the cost of attendance. And you can see it for those who are residents of Connecticut and those who are residents not of Connecticut, and then those who are residents of the New England regional area. Now, in terms of various options for financial aid, you have federal aid and institutional aid. Federal aid consists of direct loans, such as the unsubsidized loan, and then the professional and graduate plus loans. Requirements for these loans include things such as you must be a U.S. citizen or eligible non-citizen. You must be enrolled in a school at least half-time. You have to be in a program that leads to either a degree or a certificate. And you have to complete entrance counseling and a master promissory note. Now, these are online requirements. They are done once per university per 10 years. And you can complete them at studentaid.gov. Now, if you have a graduate or a graduate plus loan, you must apply online and complete a graduate plus loan application. This is also done at studentaid.gov. And you have to do this once per year, every year you wish to receive a graduate plus loan. Now, as this is a credit-based loan, you may be required to provide an endorser. Now, on the other side, institutional aid consists of tuition remission, which is a grant and does not have to be paid back, and also a university loan. This is a subsidized fixed-rate loan of 5%, so interest does not accrue while you are attending. You will have 10 years to repay this loan. And of course, it is eligible for deferment while you are in school and then into your residency. Requirements for this include that you must demonstrate financial need. You must complete the institutional aid application. You must submit the appropriate tax forms. This includes things like yours and your parents' signed federal tax return and yours and your parents' W-2s. And of course, this must be submitted by our institutional deadline, which is February the 15th. Now, you also have other options for financial aid. This includes the primary care loan, which is a loan between you and the school. It is a program that supports students who want to seek a career in primary care. You have a low interest rate loan. The value is $40,000 and the interest rate is 1%. Scholarships and fellowship opportunities offered by the university are awarded by the Department of Admissions. You will find them as part of your financial aid package, but they are awarded by the school. Scholarships from outside of the university are the responsibility of the student to apply for. You, of course, can also look into private lending. Private loans or alternative loans are non-federal loans. Oftentimes they are credit-based. They are issued by banks, credit unions, or other lenders. And of course, your credit decision is subject to a credit check. Now, how to apply for aid. First thing you must do is determine the type of aid you're applying for. If you apply for federal student aid, you must first complete your FAFSA. This is the free application for federal student aid. You can complete this at studentaid.gov. When applying, please make sure to use the school code of 001417. You may notice that this indicates that you're applying to have your FAFSA sent to the Storrs campus. This is still accurate. Please use federal school code 001417. The new FAFSAs are available each year on October the 1st. Make sure when you submit your FAFSA, you are submitting it for the 2021-2022 financial aid year. If you are looking to apply for institutional aid, you must first complete a FAFSA. You must provide the federal school code of 001417, and you must include all parental information. There's a section on your FAFSA that asks for your parents' financial information. Please fill in responses to all questions. Do not skip anything. You also have to complete the institutional aid application along with your parent's signature on the appropriate form. And again, the priority filing deadline is the 15th of February. If you have any questions regarding anything we've gone over today or anything in financial aid in general, the Office of Student Financial Aid Services is here to help you. You can send us an email to sfada@uchc.edu. You can also reach us by phone at the number provided. If you leave us a voicemail, we will be able to check it. It will be directed to the appropriate individual in our office who will get back in touch with you. Virtual appointments are always available. Send an email to the SFADA inbox, and we will schedule you a virtual appointment. At the moment, we are working remotely until further notice, so there are no individuals in our office. Thank you so very much for your attendance and for your participation in this meeting. If you have any questions, of course, please feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful rest of your interview day.